Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you Instagram. How to know who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. Open your profile and tap on following. Select any account here. Again, click on following. So here you can see this person is not following you. If he had followed you, then you would have come on top. Click on someone else's profile in the same way. Now tap on following. Here you can see that he is also not following back you. In this way you can know who is not following you back on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.